We are going to go back into our Genie controller and we are going to comment out our post for create. And we're going to create another one that uses request.form. So I'm actually going to copy the original. And I'm going to tweak this one a little bit. So I do need to keep string Genie in here just so that my parameter list will be different than the get. And then I'm going to create a number granted variable and set that equal to, well, what I want is request.form and then, oops, in brackets, I want to access wishes granted. Now, the problem with this is that it's not integer. So it's considered text. And so what I have to do is basically run it through a little method that converts it over into integer for me. And I'm going to have to basically do the same thing with age. So I'm going to copy this one. So this one is age. And we'll call it years over here for our variable name. And then what I want to check in my if statement is num granted. And then for age, instead of age, I'm going to use years. Okay, and the rest is the exact same. So if I run this, I really shouldn't notice any difference in how this thing runs. So I still have to do /Genie create. I still have to fill in the form. Yep, I tested novice, so let me do an experienced Genie. Okay, so that worked. And I'm going to go ahead and save everything.